a disgusting young man. Okay, I think you need to go wash up. Oh my goodness, this is disgusting. Oh, he's spitting it up and he's getting on your clothes.
It's just clothes.
Just clothes? What do you have to say about that, young man? Okay, I understand. Say bye-bye to everyone out there. Wave your hand. Say bye. Say wave bye to Uncle Jenny and Granny. And don't forget Uncle Merle.
And Uncle TJ.
Uncle TJ? Who's that? You better put those things, put that thing down. Stop it. Can't do that. You get a job, you pay some bills, you buy some groceries. Until then, don't touch my food. You understand me? You understand me, young man? Okay, good. Now let's shake on it. Okay, we have an understanding.